What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, fellow entrepreneurs? As you can see today, I'm in my office. I'm trying to do some office things today, and one of those things is actually a surprise that's been waiting for a while. Been waiting for the right time. We're actually unboxing something. We're actually unboxing something to add to the vending business line movement that we're doing, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. And I'm going to set it up. And but first and foremost, let's actually take a look at the box. All right, you can see the box. What does it say on that sticker there? Gumballmachinefactory.com. So, with that said, it's pretty obvious what we're unboxing, and I'm going to show you the setup. And I hope it's exciting. I hope it's exciting for those people who don't have one. If you already have one, you already know the deal, the whole setup and everything. But before we do that, I want to say thank you to everyone who's recently subscribed to my channel and everything, showing lots of love to my recent video, my first collection and everything. And we recently hit 200 subscribers, so thank you. All right, I really appreciate every single one of you. Sorry if I mumble. And I hope we continue to grow. If you haven't subscribed to any of my videos yet and you love what I'm doing, you love vending machines and all that good stuff, and just the overall entrepreneurship movement, trying to figure out how to create passive income and everything, please hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit those like buttons. And if you have any questions, always ask them in the comments below and I will get to you ASAP. So again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's get to this Gumball machine unboxing. I'll see you in a bit. One super important thing that I forgot to mention, guys, before the setup is the price. Okay, I went to the Gumball factory machine, gumballmachinefactory.com. I don't know. I'm not sure the name. I went there. The machines were new, $199, so it's $200. And I went online. Everything's pretty solid. That's why I went with the ratings and all that stuff. I was trying to go used and everything, but around me, everything kind of looked kind of used. You know, like extra used. And I was just like, I don't want to deal with the whole super cleaning. Like, I wiped down all the dust and everything. I made sure there wasn't any random particles in there. So I just did the easy thing. Ordered it, make sure it would be new. Has its warranty. If it came with any issues, I could return it and get another one. So that's why I went new. It was $200 with the shipping, about $30 something, so $231. So several months down the line, it'll pay for itself. So this was gumballfactory.com. So I don't know why I forgot to mention that. All right, we'll go back to the video. Alright guys, so I apologize for the abrupt stop there. We were setting it up, as you can see, unboxed it and everything. But I had some stuff happen. Family came in, and I had to just kind of cut it, assemble it, and do all that. So I apologize, but it is all set up, and it took longer than I expected. Took more brain cells to burn than I expected, but it's finally set up. So we have here the final product. There it is. As you can see, we have the prices, and I have some test gumballs that I will be testing several times to see if it works. If you know what I mean, right? They're the Nerds gumballs, which are ones I prefer. So let's actually test this thing out. Have a quarter. All right, so here we go. Please work. All right. I don't know why that was so satisfying, but yes, we got a gumball. I'm not going to chew it right now, but nerds. Yes, there's nerds in there. So, guys, I know it was abrupt, the whole setup and everything, but it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. Just get a screwdriver, some pliers, a blowtorch, and you should be fine. So, anyways, guys, if you guys liked my first gumball setup, please like the video. Obviously, the next thing for this next mission is going to be finding a place for it. Before you guys even ask, yes, I did buy some other items for the other I don't know, buckets, glasses, there, spots. So this is the M&M's peanuts, peanut butter, peanut butter, and of course the actual M&M's peanuts. So actually there's two more of each of those somewhere else in the room over there. And but yeah, so once we find a place, we'll fill it up, and hopefully soon. I got a couple places in mind that I've actually seen that are like family oriented places, some restaurants that don't have anything. So we'll see why they don't have anything and if I can persuade them. So that'll be the next mission. Okay, so if you're looking forward to that, please hit that like button and subscribe for the future gumball vending videos and the other vending machine videos, because there's gonna be plenty more down the line. I ain't quitting. I'm not stopping. We're gonna keep on going because we want to continue increasing that monthly income, that passive income, because that's what we're trying to do. That's the whole purpose of the channel. So if you actually like that, you're into entrepreneurship and trying to just be better financially and everything, this is all a culmination of different things that I'm trying to do. So hit that subscribe button if you want to learn and all that stuff as much as I do. Everything I learn, I document and I do on YouTube. Okay, let me stop before I continue. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you have any questions or you got any tips or anything about this machine, comment down below. I will talk to you. I want to learn as much as everyone else does. Okay, so take it easy, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good Easter weekend. If you don't do that stuff, just have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys later. Take it easy.